Hello, my dear friends. Today we are going to explore some important multiple choice questions on one of the famous poems, Space Between or Failure of Communication, written by Judith Wright, an Australian poet. This poem is prescribed for SYBS special paper entitled DEC 2A Discipline Elective Course 2A. Before discussing on the MCQs, I request you to subscribe my YouTube channel for getting further notification. So now let's explore the MCQs on Space Between. The first MCQ is, what can be another suitable title for the poem Space Between? The options are A. Failure of communication, B. Failure of communion, C. Both A and B, D. None. The correct answer is C. Both A and B. It means failure of communication and failure of communion can be another suitable titles for the poem Space Between. Let's see the second MCQ. Space Between is written by dash dash. The options are A. Rabindranath Tagore, B. Maya Angelou, C. Judith Wright, D. John Clare. The correct answer is C. Judith Wright. Space Between or Failure of Communication is written by Judith Wright. Third MCQ. Judith Wright was an dash dash. The options are A. Australian poet, B. Australian critic, C. Australian short story writer, D. All of them. The correct answer is D. All of them. It means Judith Wright was an Australian poet, Australian critic, and Australian short story writer. Let's explore MCQ number 4. Space Between is dash dash. Options are A. A short and musical poem, B. An elegy, C. A lyric, D. Both A and C. The correct answer is D. Both A and C. It means that Space Between is a short and musical poem. It is also a lyric. The next MCQ is, Space Between deals with dash dash. The options are A. Life, B. Humanity and the relationships between humans, C. Space exploration, D. None of these. The answer is B. Humanity and the relationships between humans. Let's see MCQ number 6. Space Between explains dash dash. The options are the gap between human beings, B. The gap between young and old, C. Both A and B, D. None. The correct answer is A. The gap between human beings. It means Space Between explains the gap between human beings. MCQ number 7. Judith Wright's Space Between or Failure of Communication explores. Options are A. The irony of openness, B. The irony of distance, C. The irony of closeness? D. None. The correct answer is C. The irony of closeness. It means Judith writes, space between failure of communication explores the irony of closeness. MCQ number 8. Who was the first Australian author who got the prestigious Queen's Gold Medal for Poetry? Options are A. Helen Garner, B. Tim Winton, C. Mem Fox, D. Judith Wright. The correct answer is D. Judith Wright. Judith Wright was the first Australian author who got the prestigious Queen's Gold Medal for Poetry. Now let's see MCQ number 9. Judith writes, space between or failure of communication reflects the problem of dash dash. The options are A. Communication, B. Evil, C. Poverty, D. None. The correct answer is A. Communication. It means Judith writes, space between or failure of communication reflects the problem of communication. MCQ number 10. Dash dash form the biggest gaps between us according to Judith Wright. The options are the communication, B. the silences, C. both A and B, D. none. The correct answer is the silences. The silences form the biggest gaps between us. Between us means human beings, according to the poet Judith Wright. The MCQ number 11. What do you think the poet Judith Wright means by frail bridges? The options are A. Strong relationship between one another, B. Tenuous connections between one another, C. Both A and B, D. None. The correct answer is B. Tenuous connections between one another. MCQ number 12. What is that speech or touch will never breeze according to Judith Wright? The options are A. The gap that exists between human beings, B. The gaps that exist between the poor and the rich, C. Both A and B, D. None. The correct answer is A. The gaps that exist between human beings. Thank you very much friends for listening my video. Thank you very much.